Princess Romeo and the Nurse.
Oh my God, like he just get on my nerves. He just so like you know he always playing the same. He always playing the same. He just get on my nerves. We like we just maybe want to shoot my way. So we get on my nerves.
You know he always playing. Now you know that's serious. Like let it go. Tell me what my wife said though. How she doing?
Girl, she good. She still started from last night. She just was in love. But she said, next time to take it, she'll be about that life, you know. She ready.
Okay. But tomorrow I said Friday lunch party, 9 o'clock, and come ready to play Super Strong.
Okay, that's a bit. I'll see you later, little Eddie.
Alright. Exit song.
Every video.
Are you ready for this? You're about to make a big step now, Romeo.
Yeah, bro, I know it's real, like a real killer, but it's worth it. How big you love.
Okay, cool, son.
What about
Yep, now tomorrow morning, start flipping me, bro.
tomorrow morning? Anybody got time for that? I'm talking about tonight. I'm ready to do this.
Tonight, I got plans. I'm finna go to this girl kickback tonight.
You know how to drop them plans to do this for me. It's a real special event.
Dude, you better be lucky you're like my son. Right here, did you tell Juliet yet?
OMG shaking my head. Yes, I did. I told her tonight and her next gonna pass the word.
Okay, cool. Well, go get ready and meet me back here at 7:30 so we can rehearse a little bit, cool?
Alright.
Alright. Oh my gosh. She said, alright, cool, shot it. Alright. Y'all ready to bust you. You can catch me at the bus.
Enter Friday, Romeo and Juliet. Join us as we unite the two beautiful people, Romeo and Juliet. Is that gonna walk out?
Y'all ready to walk down the aisle? 1, 2, 3.
Get it. Do I have to call you?
These two beloved couples written their own vows to this morning.
Alright. Juliet, you know, I love you, girl, like, I know you from Tennessee, because you know you only Tennessee. Like, I just want you, like, to relax. Let me take care of you. I know you running through my head. I know you're tired all day, but I'm so happy, like, I need out these streets to know baby mama's on me. You hear me? Like,
No, Romeo, you know, I'm glad I met you. Like, you finally get back to chill. Girl, hey, Juliet, where the girl not the I met you, I sit down, cause you like, you know, all my friends, they like swoops, and you know, I ain't trying to be no swoop, so, you hear me? I love you like a fat man loves a bouquet, like, you know, I love it.
Now, Juliet, do you take Romeo to be your lawful wedded husband?
You already know you love me.
Romeo, do you take Juliet to be your lawful wedded wife?
yeah, I mean, I do, yeah.
Then we may unite Romeo and Juliet now. You may now sisters. Right?
Yeah. All right.
Y'all got to do
Ew, bring the broom first.
2, 3, all right now. now jump. There you go.